Hi everyone, here I've got MEIZU 16th and let me show you how to enable power saving mode. So first of all, let's open the settings. Then let's scroll down a little to the battery. And as you can see, we've got two options to choose from, the low power mode and super saving mode. Let's get into low power mode, and as you can see, this power mode will control Bluetooth, GPS, sounds, haptic feedback and other features, like it will reduce visual effects and system performance. So let's click enable now. And from now on, as you can see, the battery time has been changed. It is in low power mode. We can also choose super saving mode. And this mode will change your home screen to black and white, and it will, thanks to this, it will reduce the consumption. And here you've got the configuration. You can choose apps, which will be available in super saving mode. So let me choose the Chrome, Gmail, and for example, I don't know, it can be music. Okay, let's get back. As you can see, the music has been added. Click on enable now. And our homepage has been changed to black and white, as it was said. And all you can do now is to choose those added apps to use them. This is the only thing you can do. If you want to exit this mode, simply click here. And if you want to exit super saving mode, simply click OK. And as you can see, it is now back to normal. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful for you, please click the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.